Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free Bitcoin from that website, and not just Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin too. And that was the highest paying website and the 100% paying website too. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. The website name is LarvelFaucet. Okay, LarvelFaucet is the highest paying website. This website launched in 2018, and this website pay much more. The first way is the registration. Put your username, email address, password, confirm password, referral code. Just click this one and just solve capture. You can register yourself. Okay, and after registration, just go to login your account. Okay, and just click login and wait a few seconds. Okay, now I'm logging in my account, and you can see this much coin I earn. Okay, I show you how you can earn your coin, and this is the three way you can simply withdraw your amount. This is the minimum withdrawal to Faucet Pay Express Crypto. Okay, if you want to pay your direct payment, this will be take 7 days work day. Okay, and you can receive your payment. The first way is earn coin. Okay, you can earn just visiting short links. This one is the one of the best because you can visit the short links, and this will be pay you much more plus coin too. Okay, if you want to visit, just click it and just click open and visit the short links and wait few seconds. This page will be completely open, and then solve capture, and you can just click continue. Okay, just I click solve and capture. This will be car. Okay, view seconds car. Just click verify and just click you. Okay, and this is very easy. And wait 5 seconds in here. Okay, just click get link. Okay, sometimes the pop-up ads show you first, but I click too soon. Okay, and next activity level, you can see this much coin this website add to me. Okay, and you can earn another way too. The another way is PTC ads. PTC ads is the one of the best way you can earn. Just I have 2 PTC ads. I watch this first. Okay, the next one is the Faucet. You can claim every 1 hour 50 to 2000 coins you can earn. Okay, choose your capture first and solve it and just click verified. Okay, this is capture. Just click verify and wait few seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds this will be reload, and just click collect coins. Right now you can see I earned this much coin. Okay, and the next one is the offer walls. You can complete offers and you can earn. Okay, this is the offer walls. Just click one of these and you can go to complete the offers. Okay, the next one is the tasks. Task is another best way you can complete it and you can earn much more. The next one is extra coins earn. Okay, the extra coin earn, you can earn much more coins if you watch short links. Then short links pay you some other way. Okay, offer walls. Okay, task and all of these. Okay, you can make extra. with my opinion, the lottery is one of the best way. Okay, you can see this match pulling every hourly lottery ticket is one of the best. A lot of time I participate in here, I win much more from here. Just I buy 100 tickets, okay, and every tickets in 10 coin. You can see 101 ticket I buy. You can go to free ticket, you can earn every 1 hour free ticket. This is the daily lottery ticket, this is the weekly lottery ticket. Hourly lottery ticket is one of the best because every hour you can participate and you can win. If you win and one see 30% of the price, 12%, 20, 10%, all this is the price you can earn from the winner. Okay, okay guys, after 5 minutes maybe one of us is winner. Okay, there are a lot of participate of people. And the next one is the game. After a few seconds I will share with you. You can play game, okay, but you can buy a coin, okay, and you can come here, you can buy a coin. How much coin you want to buy, just click it, and this much you will be pay for the buying coin. Buy from Faucet page, just click it and we wait few seconds and sign in here, and you can complete payment this much, and you can be payment this much to that account, and you will be making your buying, and you can buy the miner. Okay, what is the miner? I show you. This is the miner. You can buy a miner, just click it, and the minimum buying miner is this much. Okay, if you have this much coin, 10,000 coin, you can buy this miner. If you have 50,000 coin, you can buy this miner. Okay, if you have, just click it, you can buy the miner, and the mining is a start. You can be upgrade the miner, and you can be earn with the miner too. Okay, that was great. You can buy a miner. Okay, and that is the best way. And this is the all help. You can use this all help. Okay, and you can play the game by buying the miner. If you combine this miner, this will be pay you much more. Okay, and you can buy also best one. Okay, and you can exchange the mining to coin, and this will be exchanged successfully, and you will be receive your coin. Okay, and this is all. You can buy a miner, wait few seconds, wait few days. After few days you can change it to coin again. Okay, I wait 2 minutes again to pull my price. But the referral link is one of the best way you can earn 10% of every referral. Okay, earn, and this is the 10%. This is your referral link. Copy and share with your friends. Right now I didn't have referral. And the next one is the contest. Contest is one of the best way. Okay, but right now it's not available. Tomorrow maybe this will be available, and you can participate it. Okay, and this is all about the winners and losers. And after 1 hour I will be share with you the winning price. Okay, you can see this is the all of my coin. If I am winner, this will be increased. Okay guys, right now is 10 second. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Just I reload the page. Okay, right now you can see I didn't show me my coin. I lose the game. Okay, I lose the game and I didn't receive my any payment in here, and that's all. If you lose and didn't pay you anything. Okay, now this the all things. Okay, I wait after 2 minutes. This will be show me if this one pay me or not. Okay, this is the rule. After 2 minutes they show you this will be pay you or not. Okay, you're winner or loser. And this is all best way, but I show you this website because this website is very good. If you reach the minimum amount of the 88 activity points, if you earn, you will be increase your earning. And this is the one things you will be notice to come here in this website. If you don't have any activity in 48 countries 48 hours, okay, your account activity level will be become 0 and you will be start over fresh. Okay, this will be every 48 hours. This will be fresh if you didn't show any activity in the 48 hours. Okay, and this is the bad way of this website, but if you work honestly you can earn much more. Just click activity and just you can active your account, and you can see this is all my activity. I share with you offer walls, all things, and lottery tickets. You can see this is the position I was, position 5. Every time I start I will be position 5, position 9, 5, 5, 5, 4. This is the all position I was. Okay, and right now I think I'm loser, not I'm winner. Okay, after 2 minutes I will be show you. And this is my coin right now. I didn't receive any coin, just I think I am loser. And you can see this is very interesting website. You can earn much more from this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here. You can solve your captures, you can watch ads, and you can earn much more from this website. If you work honestly, you can make much more money from this website. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.